and welcome to Wrexham Volkswagen. Today I'm going to show you around this Volkswagen Golf. This is the 1.5 petrol SE edition, finished in pure white solid paint. It's got Blue Motion technology. Round to the side you can see you've got your really nice diamond cut alloy wheels. It's in a really good condition. There's no marks, scuffs, scrapes, curbs, anything like that. Only covered about 13,000 miles from new, so fairly low mileage for a 2-year-old car. Round to the back, I'll open the boot and I'll show you the inside. You have got a good sized boot, so you'll definitely fit your weekly shopping. I'll bring you around to the side. I'll open up and show you the space in the back. In the back you can see there is plenty of room in there, so it'll be fine for a smaller family car. It's keyless entry as well, so you just need the key near you. So I'll start the car up and show you the inside. On the inside you've got your keyless start, your multifunction steering wheel with your adaptive cruise control with front assist. Over to the left you've got your sat-nav system and all your display with your app connect. There is also a cooled glove box, perfect for your snacks on longer journeys. You've got your clutch and the gears down here. You've got your driver mode selection button, so you've got your eco, normal, sport or individual depending on how you want the car to feel when you're driving. You've also got front and rear parking sensors, and you've got your electronic parking brake with auto hold. There's all your climate control, and then over to the right you've got automatic lights, heated and folding door mirrors, and then all your window controls for your electric windows. There's a close-up of the cloth. As you can see, there's no marks or anything like that. It is pretty much like new. Really nice condition. So I really hope you like the car. If you're interested, please give us a call. Thank you.